If you're eager to discover the most effective approach to effortlessly earn money online, then this is the ideal video for you. Today, I will unveil a revolutionary method that harnesses the power of AI to generate online income without requiring any strenuous efforts on your part. By simply clicking a few times, you'll embark on a journey towards earning thousands of dollars every week. Without further delay, let's dive right in. First step, explore the Wix affiliate program. Today's money-making venture involves promoting Wix. In case you're unfamiliar with Wix, it's a comprehensive cloud-based platform that offers everything you need for website building, from web hosting to design services. Wix eliminates the need to stress about being a tech wizard or hiring expensive web developers. With its user-friendly drag-and-drop tools and an impressive collection of over 500 ready-made templates, you can effortlessly create your dream website. I personally recommend Wix for small and medium-sized e-commerce businesses. It boasts a massive community of over 200 million registered users worldwide, ensuring you're in good company. Moreover, it's available in 17 languages, enabling you to reach a global audience. Now that you're familiar with Wix, let's delve into how you can earn money by joining its affiliate program. To begin, open your Chrome browser and search for the Wix affiliate program. Once you locate it, simply visit their website. Wix offers a highly user-friendly page builder and attractive recurring affiliate commissions. Now let's discuss the exciting part. For each person you refer who purchases a Wix premium plan within 30 days of clicking on your affiliate ad, you'll earn a generous $100. And here's the best part: the more sales you generate, the more you'll earn. There are no limits to your earnings potential with this affiliate opportunity. However, you must reach a minimum of $300 before receiving your first payment as an affiliate. But don't worry, all your earnings and conversions will accumulate in your affiliate account until you reach that milestone. Once you achieve a balance of $300, expect an email around the 15th of the month containing all the necessary details to facilitate your payment. Wix affiliates keep the payment process simple. They directly transfer the funds to your bank account through wire transfer. No complications, no need to worry about alternative payment methods. They prioritize ensuring a smooth payout process so you can effortlessly receive your hard-earned cash. Step 2. Enroll in the Wix affiliate program. Now let's proceed to actually become a member of the Wix affiliate program. The process is incredibly simple, and I assure you, the rewards are truly worthwhile. Here's how you can swiftly sign up and kickstart your journey within a matter of minutes. Once you've landed on the Wix affiliate program website, you'll immediately notice a prominent, friendly blue button that reads "Sign Up Now." Give it a quick click, and you'll be well on your way. Rest assured, it won't consume more than 2 minutes of your valuable time to complete the sign-up process. Next, you'll be prompted to fill out a form with essential personal details. You know, the usual questions like "Where do you reside?" and other necessary information. And hey, if you have a company, make sure to provide relevant details about that as well. Once you've filled in all the required information, it's time to accept the terms and conditions, the somewhat dull but indispensable part. Don't forget to give them a read, or if you're feeling a bit lazy, a quick skim will suffice. Then, without hesitation, hit that vibrant yellow submit button located at the bottom, and congratulations. You are now officially in the game. After submitting your application, the Wix team will review it diligently. As long as everything checks out, you'll receive swift approval. And guess what? That's when the real excitement begins. Step 3. Obtain your unique Wix affiliate link. Now let's get hold of your valuable affiliate link. Consider it as your secret weapon to drive a surge of traffic towards targeted landing pages. Once you've successfully logged into your affiliate dashboard, keep an eye out for the Offers tab located in the left navigation menu. Click on it and voila! You've unlocked a gateway to a world filled with thrilling opportunities. Take a moment to explore the assortment of landing pages meticulously organized for your convenience. Choosing one can be quite challenging because they're all exceptional. But don't fret, trust your instincts and select the one you deem the best. Once you've made your decision, it's time to click on it. Lo and behold, a stylish pop-up window emerges right before your eyes. Inside this captivating pop-up, locate the Creatives tab, where you can find eye-catching banners that will elevate the impact of your promotions. Furthermore, you'll discover an array of creative assets that can be utilized to enhance your marketing strategies. However, here's the real gem: copying your tracking links. These tracking or affiliate links serve as the bridge connecting your audience to the captivating Wix offerings you're promoting. So, copy those tracking links and prepare to sprinkle them wherever you see fit. Now that you've armed yourself with the knowledge and tools necessary to excel in the Wix affiliate program, it's time to spread the word about Wix, enticing your audience and earning those desirable commissions. Step 4. Harness the power of Reddit for Wix promotion. Now I'll introduce you to what I consider the most effective approach to promoting Wix, leveraging the vast potential of Reddit. Reddit is a thriving online community where individuals share information, ask questions, and connect with like-minded people who share similar interests. With its millions of active users, Reddit serves as an exceptional platform for promoting your Wix affiliate link and reaching a wide audience. Let's head over to Reddit and utilize its search bar to discover relevant posts and questions related to landing page builders. Simply enter a search query such as "which landing page builder is the best?" and you'll be presented with a plethora of results. This is your opportunity to showcase your knowledge and expertise while simultaneously promoting your affiliate link. If the thought of sifting through numerous Reddit posts and questions feels overwhelming, fear not. There's a solution that can make your life much easier: employing the assistance of a chatbot like ChatGPT. Chatbots are remarkable tools that utilize advanced artificial intelligence technology to comprehend questions and provide helpful answers. This means that you can simply input a question related to landing page builders, and ChatGPT will swiftly deliver a tailored response based on your specific needs. With ChatGPT by your side, you can save significant time and effort when it comes to promoting your affiliate link on Reddit. Instead of spending hours scoring through posts and crafting meticulous responses, you can effortlessly type in a question and let ChatGPT handle the heavy lifting. This proves immensely valuable, especially if you're new to Reddit or unsure where to commence your affiliate link promotion. When engaging with Reddit's community, authenticity and helpfulness are paramount. Avoid spamming your affiliate link throughout the platform. Instead, focus on providing genuinely valuable answers that address the posed questions. If you can offer additional information that aids individuals in making informed decisions, even better. When promoting your affiliate link on Reddit, it's crucial to recognize that your responses have the potential to reach a vast audience. Therefore, prioritize offering real value and being genuinely helpful, regardless of whether the person who asked the question ends up clicking on your link. And that concludes this video tutorial. If you found it helpful, please give it a thumbs up and hit the subscribe button for more valuable content. If you have any questions or comments, feel free to leave them below, and I'll respond as soon as possible. Until next time.